This video is made for assignment purpose and decided special to our awesome lecture.
Anyway, this is our first making video for you, and we hope you like it.
And this video from Mr. Ruiz. For Miss Ruiz. And
we hope you enjoy.
Yeah, I hope you enjoy with this video. So yesterday we went to
Our favorite place.
Our
Yes.
favorite place
And-
for book hunting.
and this location on the basement floor of the Block M Square Mall.
As far as I know, previously it was relocated from Kuitang, right?
Yes,
And we found
this book. This book is so big book, and the price is so expensive.
on this. Oh,
Yes.
I don't think you have to mention.
Yeah,
the
because I don't have money to buy this.
So this book is about the royal palace of Britain.
Include with
And this book about the Britain Royal
Palace
include
include with the explanation and
history about
History.
each palace.
yes.
this book. It's so many for.
What is the most? I'm sorry. The most curious about what palace you want to find out?
I think
For me, it's Kensington Palace. Is the place where Kate and William lives. Kensington Palace. I want to see Kensington Palace.
and the cover it's so nice because it's
The color is
aesthetic.
aesthetic.
Yes. And many more.
Can you show the picture?
There are
In the back one,
the Royal Palace of Britain, John Adair, with 135 illustration and 35 in color. Thames and Hudson.
This book is published in 1981 by John Adair. 1981. This book is older than three of us, isn't it? Yeah, of course.
Yes.
this page is so until what
There. I'm so sorry.
100
There are introduction
the
and
tower.
then the tower. Windsor Palace, right?
I think yes.
Yes, Windsor Palace.
And then Hampton Court.
Whitehall.
St. James,
Greenwich,
Brighton.
Holyrood,
Kensington.
and then Kensington.
I want to see Kensington. And the most famous one, Buckingham Palace.
Okay.
this page is so full. I think you must have this book because this book is so many.
Very interesting.
Very interesting.
Yes, and
So it gives you illustration, and there's some of the picture like this.
so you must have this book because how many the price this book?
I don't think we have to mention.
And if
This
Mr.
is
Ruiz
old book, so it's not really that expensive. Okay, I think that's enough.
thank
Thank you,
you.
Miss.
Begitu aja.